The Fabulous Smiles project is something that me and my partner Kate Brantvik did. So we have created a book with fabulous smiles and also make the smiles work in the 3-shape dental system and 3-shape smile designs. The book is actually for both dentists and dental technicians. The first chapter, for instance, is to communicate between the dentist and patient, but also between the dentist and the lab. The second part, you can go in and show the teeth close-up and choose the translucency, the surface structure, etc. But also the dentist can show the lab what he or she wants. And then you have a third chapter, which is basically made for the dental technicians or the in-house technicians, how to stain monolithic restorations.
Our goal with this Fabulous Smile project is to include the patient and let them choose what smile they think are appealing. Make the whole dental team work together in an easier way.
Dentistry is a market where we sell a product, but it's very rare for us to tell the patient what they're buying. We tell them a dream, we're selling them a dream. So you want a smile, I will create it for you. But what am I actually selling? So with the Fabulous Smile workflow, that way you can actually see that with them. They can actually tell you, well, I like the shape of these teeth and these smiles, but I'm actually showing them the shapes that they will receive, the smiles they will receive. That way the patient knows what they're investing in.
I think the fact that the smile libraries in the dental system are exactly the same as the patient is looking for. I mean, they flip the book open, they talk to the dentist, and they point at a specific smile library.
No, I think what's really cool about this is real patients, it's a real natural teeth. So we're actually going to replicate, the nature here and not do something totally artificial.